You're watching market headlines. At the Jakarta Composite Index intraday movement earlier today, JCI was open at the level of 7,044.25. And then approaching the closing time on the first session, the index was on the level of 7,042.99. And then the index was showing weakening trend by the second session closing time. Index was closed at the level of 7,043.93, and in short, Jakarta Composite Index went down 0.06%. And next, we're going to see the sectoral movement leading the dynamics of today's trading. We got technology as the leader of strengthening trend that went up 3.29%. Energy went up 1.25%. Finance went down 1.52%, and infrastructure went down 0.04%. And moving on to top gainers and top losers, here are the key highlights from today's trading session. GOTO went up 2.07% to the level of 197 rupiah per share. Adaro went up 1.29% to the level of 3,930 rupiah per share. ICBP went up 3.89% to the level of 9,800 rupiah per share, and Buka went up 6.72% to the level of 286 rupiah per share. Meantime, the top losers for today's trading, we got BBCA went down 1.72% to the level of 8,550 rupiah per share. BBRI went down 1.31% to the level of 4,530 rupiah. Bumi went down 0.53% to the level of 188 rupiah per share, and Telkom went down 0.46% to the level of 4,370 rupiah per share. And next, we're going to see the intraday movement of rupiah towards US dollar. Open at the level of 15,583 rupiah, showing weakening trend towards US dollar. And it was closed at the level of 15,745, and in summary, rupiah went down 1.04%. GOTO revealed its private placement plan of about 10% of its shares. Regarding the plan, GOTO management is continuously monitoring and studying market conditions.
GOTO is still conducting studies related to the private placement plan of about 10% of the shares. GOTO management conveyed in connection with the company's private placement plan that had been submitted previously and obtained approval from the shareholders. Until now, GOTO is still monitoring and studying market conditions. GOTO previously obtained shareholder approval for 10 agendas at the annual general meeting of shareholders on June 28, 2022. One of them is related to the private placement action. The private placement action is planned to be carried out within 1 year from the date of approval. This means that GOTO must carry out the corporate action before June 28, 2023. Furthermore, GOTO President Director Andre Sulistyo said that his party will continue to run the business by taking into account the interests of all shareholders and stakeholders in the GOTO ecosystem. IDX Channel reports.